Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to completely remove the PC App Store McAfee pop-up from your Windows PC. These pop-ups can be very annoying and may even affect your computer's performance. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is boot your computer into safe mode. This prevents unnecessary programs from running while we remove the files, causing the issue. Click the Start menu, select the power icon, then hold the Shift key and click Restart. Your PC will open the Advanced Startup menu. From there, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Startup Settings. Click Restart, and once your computer restarts, press 4 or F4 to enter Safe Mode. After you're in Safe Mode, open File Explorer and navigate to C. Users Yora Surname, App Data Local. Look for a folder called NWJS. If you find it, right-click the folder and delete it. This folder is commonly associated with the PC App Store. Next, go to C. Program Files 13. Find the folder named PC App Store, right-click it, and delete it. If Windows says the folder is currently in use, make sure you're still in safe mode and try again. Now, let's remove any remaining temporary files. In File Explorer, type temp into the address bar and press Enter. This will open the temporary files folder. Select all the files and delete them. If some files can't be deleted because they're being used, simply skip those files and continue. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer normally. After Windows loads, check whether the PC App Store McAfee pop-up has disappeared. If it's gone, you've successfully removed the problem. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.